Welcome back to Rick Riley's World, where we look at Rick's vast collection. We're out in Rick's Outback. What are we looking at this week, Rick?
Well, a couple trucks that I just had to have. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I got them anyway. This one here, 68, 1-ton 4-wheel drive. It's got a 266 V8 in it, 4-speed transmission, PTO winch on the front. It came out of Montana. It was belonged to a telephone company, and it had a bucket, lift bucket and everything on the back of it. Rick Black brought it back, and I haven't really done anything with it other than getting it started and had it running. The engine runs fine in it. It's kind of it's a heavy-duty little son of a gun. I checked the winch out. It works. If somebody put a little time and effort into it, it'd make a pretty nice little truck.
And so what we got here?
Now this one here is 69 1-ton dually. Of course, 4-wheel drive, PTO winch. It's got a 304 in it with a 5-speed transmission. This truck here came from Fernald, Ohio, which is, it might ring a bell for some of you folks, but that was a plant where they processed uranium back during the Cold War and stuff. And this truck here was a service truck that they had in the plant. Last thing it was used for was to spray fence lines and stuff with. And no, it don't glow in the dark. They had to check all these out before they released them. It's got a lot of neat history behind it. Just finding something that's been in a place like that is neat in itself. But it's, of course, it's got power steering, power brakes. The 68's got power brakes, or manual brakes, and manual steering on it. But it's another one of those old trucks that somebody wanted to put some time and effort into them. You'd have a nice, heavy-duty, unique truck that nobody else has got.
Like a couple of heavy-duty, tough trucks. Guess we'll see you next time, Rick.
See you guys.